Okay. So abscissors are in GP. So we can find out the area of the triangle. Right. So what is the area of the triangle P2, P3, P4 divided by area of triangle P1, P2, P3? Okay. Let us find out. This will be equal to half will get cancelled. So I'm not writing half. Okay. It will be mod of determinant 1, 1, 1, P2. Okay. P2 is minus 2 alpha. Right. Minus 2 alpha. So minus 8 alpha cube. P3. P3 is equal to 4 alpha. 4 alpha. So it is 64 alpha cube. And then P4 will be equal to minus 8 alpha. So this will be minus 512 alpha. Tell me, are you getting? And this is mod divided by mod of determinant P1, P2, P3, right? 1, 1, 1 alpha, alpha cube. P2 will be equal to minus 2 alpha, minus 8 alpha cube. And the next one will be 4 alpha and 64 alpha cube. Right. See the numerator and the denominator. I mean, numerator is a multiple of the denominator. Okay. Just have to take something common. See, if you take 2 common from the, I mean, minus 2 common from the second row and minus 8 common from the third row, what are you getting? Minus 2 into minus 8, right? Mod of determinant 1, 1, 1 alpha minus 2 alpha, 4 alpha, sorry, half 4 alpha, and this will be minus 8 common, so alpha cube minus 8 alpha cube, and this will be 64 alpha cube. Right, tell me. And same thing is there in the denominator as well. Right, tell me, Sarthak, are you getting?
Getting
Same thing is there in the denominator as well. Denominator and this will get cancelled. Answer is 16. Tell me, is it clear, Sarthak? Yes or no?
clear, sir.
Okay. So this answer is 16. Tell me, you have any doubts, Sarthak? I hope you have understood.
Understood.
Is it clear to everyone else? Aksha, Devatri, Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Devang,
Yes, sir.
Daktin, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Next one is, I'm telling you the answer. Next one is root 2 by 4 pi. Anyone having any doubts, tell me. Root 2 upon 4 pi. Next one is 400 pi by 3. Anyone having any doubts, tell me. 400 pi by 3. Next one is 40 kilometers per hour. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Tell me everyone. If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next one, 256. There's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next, number 9 is a proof problem. Number 10 is a proof problem. Tell me, Devang, Raktim, Sathok, Vaibsha, Devatri, anyone having any doubt, tell me. No one? So let us continue. Ritam, Vaibsha, and Devatri, tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. X plus ln 1 minus 4x. Okay. This is decreasing in minus 3 by 4, comma 1 by 4. This is increasing in minus infinity, comma minus 3 by 4 closed. Next one
Sir, can you
is
solve the?
this one, x plus ln 1 minus 4x.
Yes.
Okay, let us start. X plus ln 1 minus 4x. We need to find out increasing and decreasing. Okay. So over here, Sarthak, what do I need to find out? Pay attention. So first of all, let us find out the domain. Right. We always talk about monotonicity in the domain, right? This is question number
11.
11 part 1. 11 part 1. You always find out the. Okay, so for domain, what do we have to do? What is the domain of the function? Tell me what is the domain?
1 minus 4x should be greater than 0.
1 minus 4x should be greater than 0. This implies x should be
X
less
less
than
than 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Correct. Okay. So this is the domain of the function. Now we need, for increasing, what do we need to substitute? dy dx of x plus ln 1 minus 4x must be greater than 0, right? To find out the point of minima or maxima. Okay. To find where the function is increasing greater than or equal to 0. This function cannot be a constant, right? So we can directly write it as greater than or equal to 0. The function is continuous and differentiable. Next, we'll get 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 4x. And in the numerator, what do we get? 10
Minus 4.
minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So let us take LCM. 1 minus 4x is the LCM. Numerator would be 1 minus 4x. And this is minus 4, right? Must be greater than or equal to 0. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, right? So we have got minus 4x minus 3 upon 1 minus 4x must be greater than or equal to 0. So inequality sign will, or we can write it as 4x plus 3 upon 4x minus 1 must be greater than or equal to 0. Right, tell me. Are you getting Sarthak? Tell me. Okay. What are the critical points over here? Minus 3 by 4
1 by minus 1 by
and 1
1
by
by
4.
4.
The graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. So over here, can I say that x belongs to minus infinity, comma, minus 3 by 4, closed, union, open 1 by 4. Acha, but we need to check the domain also. Domain is x should be less than 1 by 4, right? X should be less than 1 by 4. So this will be the range, okay? X increasing in minus infinity, comma, minus 1 by minus 3 by 4. This is where the function is increasing. Tell me, are you getting? Yes or no? So in the remaining part of the domain, it is decreasing. Therefore, decreasing in minus 3 by 4, comma 1 by 4, open. Tell me, is it clear, Sathak?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm just writing out where it is increasing. Increasing. Okay. So I've written it. Okay. Next, we can draw the graph as well. Okay. Let us draw the graph. For graph, what do we need to do? What is f of minus infinity? F of minus infinity is equal to limit x tends to minus infinity. Okay. X plus ln 1 minus 4x. Okay. What do we get? Let us check. When I substitute minus infinity, this is minus infinity and ln 1 minus 4x. So minus 4 into minus infinity. Oh, this is infinity minus infinity form. Right, tell me. Are you able to see, Sarthak? This is infinity minus
Hmm.
infinity form. This will be plus infinity. Minus 4 into minus infinity is plus infinity, and then infinity is infinity. So plus infinity. It is infinity minus infinity form. So we need to find out f of minus infinity. Okay. Since it is an indeterminate form, we need to do something. Hmm, what can we do to remove the indeterminate form? Okay. So what I'm going to do is let y is equal to 1 by x. Okay. This implies limit y tends to 0, right? Limit y tends to 0 as x tends to infinity, minus infinity. Okay, y tends to 0, 0 minus actually, whatever y tends to 0. What do we get? 1 by y.
So why are you taking y equals to 1 upon x?
So that we get, I mean, we get a fraction and then it will be easier to differentiate, na?
Okay,
L'Hopital rule. Are you getting? ln 1 minus 4 by x, 4 by y. Okay. So after that, you take LCM. LCM would be y, and numerator would be 1 plus 1 plus y ln 1 minus 4 by y. Tell me, are you getting? Okay. Now, Sarthak, see, this is a 0 into infinity form, right? So let us simplify this separately, okay? Y into ln 1 minus 4y. Y into ln 1 minus 4y, limit y tends to 0. Y into ln 1 minus 4 by y. Okay. This should be 0 minus. Yes, 0 minus. Okay. So 1 minus 4 by y, we can write it as limit y tends to 0. ln 1 minus 4 by y divided by 1 by y. Right, tell me. Okay, now we can differentiate once. Let us differentiate what once, what will we get? Okay, it will be 1 by 1 minus 4 by y into dy dy of 1 minus 4 by y will become uh, plus 4 by y square. 4 by y square divided by minus 1 by y square. Tell me, are you getting? Now you see over here, this y square and y square will get cancelled. Wait a minute. I have to write it in a good form. Okay, let us simplify it. Okay, 4 1 by 4 by 1 by 1 minus 4 by y. Na? So this will become y by y minus 4. So this is y by y minus 4 multiplied by 4 by y square. Okay, and this will go up multiplied by y square. Okay, and minus sign will also be there. So y square gets cancelled. Okay, Acha. So see, now what have we got? Y tends to 0, right? This is 0 by 0 form. So let us differentiate it once again. And differentiating it once again in the numerator, we'll get 4. And the denominator, what do we get? 1. So I'm getting minus 4. At minus
and
infinity,
denominator will be negative or 1 1 1.
1 only. Tell me, are you getting? Okay. So this is coming as 4. As when you differentiate it once, it will become as 4. Okay. I'm making a mistake. It's minus infinity. Okay. I'm doing some mistake. Let me see. There is some mistake, I guess. Okay, wait a minute. I'm doing too much. Okay, wait, I'll apply the limit once again, okay? I'll apply the limit once again. Okay, this time I'm proceeding from here only, okay? Can I write it as limit x tends to minus infinity e to the power, no, ln e to the power x plus ln 1 minus 4x 10. I think this will be better. This will be what? This will be ln of e to the power x into 1 minus 4x. Tell me, are you getting? Yes or no? But again, it is coming infinity into infinity. Ln e to the power x. Okay, so over here, what have we got? When you substitute in minus infinity, e to the power minus infinity is 0. 0 into infinity form. So I'm just solving this limit, okay? So limit x tends to minus infinity. Okay, so to minus infinity, 1 minus 4x upon e to the power minus x, okay? Let us differentiate once. What do we get? Minus 4 by minus e to the power minus x. These two gets cancelled. When you substitute minus infinity over here, okay, denominator is 0, right? Denominator is coming as e to the power infinity. Acha, denominator is coming as infinity. This is tending to 0 plus. Tell me, are you getting? Sarthak? Sarthak, Devank, Raktim, Devatri, or Ifsha, are people able to understand? If you are unable to understand, ask me, tell me. Have you people understood?
So,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 0 plus. What is ln 0 plus? This will be equal to minus infinity. So at minus infinity, we are getting minus infinity only. Okay. The same thing, limit x tends to infinity will also be equal to minus infinity. Okay. The graph will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. At x equal to minus 1 by minus 3 by 4, we are getting a maximum. Minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 is the vertical asymptote. Okay, your graph will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. Tell me, has everyone understood? Tell me, Sarthak, Devank, Aifsha, Devatri, Raktim. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me.
yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Just give me 2 minutes. I'm coming. Okay, everyone. Okay, so everyone, let us continue. Okay, so I've drawn the graph of that function. Okay, everyone understood how I've drawn the graph? Tell me. Sarthak, did you understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Next one, x upon ln x. X upon ln x. I'm writing the answer. It is increasing in e comma infinity. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Increasing in e comma infinity. In e comma infinity. Okay. And decreasing in 0 comma 1 union 1 comma e. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Next one. This answer is 36. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Tell me, Devang, Raktiv, those have solved the problems. Sathok.
No, sir.
Okay, next one, number five. Number five, the answer is option D. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Five is option D. This came in JEE Advance. I don't remember the year. It came in advance. Number 14. Okay, I'm writing 14 as well. Okay, 14 I'm writing. 14 is a proof problem. 15 is also a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? 14, 15, 16. A belongs to
So you can solve 16.
16. Okay, so first of all, the function f of x is equal to a plus t is always decreasing. Okay, so it is always decreasing. What do we need to do? Tell me. Dy by dx less than 0, right?
Less than
16 part 1. Okay, we need to put the derivative less than 0, isn't it? Tell me. Okay, so over here, what do we have to do? We have to differentiate f dash x will be less than or equal to 0. This implies 3 into a plus 2 whole x square minus 6ax plus 9a is less than or equal to 0. Okay, this implies a plus 2 whole x square minus 2ax plus 3a is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so how will the graph look like? See, it's a quadratic, right? How will the graph look like? Tell me. Sarthak,
parabola, right?
parabolic, right? Okay. So how the parabola should look like? Tell me. It is less than or equal to 0, right? How the parabola should look like? What should be the
Concave
cases?
downwards.
Concave downwards. Correct. Okay. So the graph might look somewhat like this, or there is another case, right? It can just touch,
Or
or it can
intersect
be,
at 2 points.
if it intersects at 2 points, that means for some value of x, it is greater than 0 also, right?
Yes.
For some values of x, see, for these values of x, the expression is greater than 0 as well, isn't it? Tell me.
Yes, yes.
But I need completely below, right? Either it
It's
is less
completely
than or
below
equal,
the levels.
like this. So what condition we can apply? Tell me, Sarthak.
Discriminant
Discriminant
equal to 0 or less than 0.
less than or equal to 0, correct. So for discriminant less than or equal to 0, first of all, see, it has to be concave downwards. That means a plus 2 has to be less than 0. This implies a should be less than minus 2. Then only it is concave downwards, right? Tell me, Vipsha, Devatri, Ritam, Javank, Raktim, are people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Let us apply discriminant. Discriminant will be minus 2a whole square b square minus 4 into a plus 2 into 3a. Right, tell me. This is less than or equal to 0, isn't it? Tell me. So let us apply. Dividing by 4, we'll get a square minus 3a into a plus 2 must be less than or equal to 0. Taking a common, we'll get a minus 3a. A minus 3a minus 6 must be less than or equal to 0. This implies a into minus 2a minus 6. So dividing by minus 2, a into a plus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. Right, tell me. This implies a belongs to minus infinity comma 0. Sorry, minus 3 union close 0 to infinity. Tell me, are you getting Sarthak? Yes or no? If you have any doubt, you ask me. Did you understand part 1?
Getting so.
Okay. And Sarthak, for part 2, it should be monotonic or invertible. If it is monotonic, okay, if the function is monotonic, either it should be decreasing or it should be increasing, right? For the function to be monotonic, for the function, wait a minute, and a should be less than minus 2, right? If you take the intersection with 1, this implies a should belong to minus infinity comma minus 3 closed, right? Tell me, are you getting? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Number 2, for f of x to be monotonic, for f of x to be monotonic, f dash x must be greater than or less than or equal to 0, right? Tell me, f dash x should be greater than equal to or less than or equal to 0. For f dash x to be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Uh, Less than or equal to 0, we have already got minus infinity to comma minus 3. For f dash x should be to be greater than or equal to 0. A into a plus 3 must be less than or equal to 0. Right, tell me. A into a plus 3 must be less than or equal to 0. And wait a minute. No, 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 no. I'm making a mistake. For f dash x greater than or equal to 0, two things can happen. One is just touch, and another one is just above. Right, tell me. These two cases are possible. So over here, for f dash x greater than or equal to 0, a plus 2 should be greater than 0. And discriminant should be less than or equal to 0 only. So this implies a should belong to minus 2 comma infinity. Right. When you take the intersection with minus 2 comma infinity with the discriminant less than or equal to 0, whatever we have got, this implies a should belong to 0 comma infinity, right? Closed. So for the function to be monotonic, for f to be monotonic, a should belong to minus infinity comma minus 3 closed union close 0 to infinity. Tell me, are you getting? Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting Devang,
Getting
Rafim,
so.
Yes, sir.
or Ifsha, Devatri? Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If anyone has any doubt, you can ask me. The 16 is done. Okay. That is a belongs to minus infinity, comma minus 3 closed. And over here, a belongs to minus infinity, comma minus 3 closed. Union open, union 0 to infinity. Next. Over here, we need to find out the value of b for which f of x equal to sine 2x. Over here, the answer is given as b belongs to minus infinity, comma minus 3 minus root 3 union root 3 minus 1 comma infinity. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Devank, Raktim.
Can you please solve it?
Okay. So over here again, it is monotonically increasing, right? So we have to differentiate, isn't it? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
we need to differentiate and check. Okay. Minus within brackets 4b square plus 16b plus 6 into x. Okay. So this is what f of x is. This is number 17. What is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2 cos 2x minus 8 in, plus 8 into b plus 2 into sin x minus 4b square plus 16b plus 6. Okay. So 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x means 2 into cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. Plus 8 into b plus 2 into sin x minus 4b square plus 16b plus 6. Okay. So see, I think there are possibilities that we can. Actually, let us put it equal to 0. No, not equal to 0. We need to prove it. We need to find it for monotonically increasing, right? Monotonically increasing or decreasing? Let me see.
Sir, number of critical points. So equals to
No,
7.
monotonically decreasing. It is given. See, number 7. We are talking about this question only, right? Or are you talking about this one?
No, no, sir, the 17.
17. It has no. Oh, acha. It is monotonically decreasing given. Wait. Okay, and it should not have any critical point. Anyways, if it is monotonically decreasing, that means it has no critical point only. Understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Because there will be no point of maximum minima, right? There will be no point of maximum minima. So let us start. Okay, over here we need to prove f dash x less than or equal to 0, monotonically decreasing. Okay, f dash x less than or equal to 0. So for f dash x less than or equal to 0, we need to first of all make it a perfect square. Okay, taking 2 to the right hand side. Okay, or we can divide it by 2. Okay, dividing by 2, or you can. So first of all, let us simplify. These two, these two will go inside. It will become, pay attention, it will become minus 4 sine square x plus 8 into b plus 2 into sine x minus, these two will go inside. It will become 4b square plus 16b plus 4. Tell me, are you getting? Raktim,
Yes, sir.
Devank, Sarthak, are you getting? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
No, we can divide by minus 4. On dividing by minus 4, what do we get? We'll get sine square minus 2 into b plus 2 into sine. Okay, plus b square plus 4b plus 1. Now see, now we can make it a perfect square, right? On making it a perfect square, we'll get sine square minus 2 into sine into b plus 2. What is b plus 2 whole square? Tell me. What is b plus 2 whole
B
square?
square plus 4B plus 4.
B square plus 4b plus 4. So we can add 3. We'll get plus b square plus 4b plus 4 less than or equal to 3. Right. Next, we'll get sine x minus b plus 2 whole square is less than or equal to 3. Okay. Now see, you can ask, sir, why are we making it a perfect square? Why are we not finding the critical points directly? Because try to understand over here, the expression is given in terms of sin x. Sin x has a particular range. Okay. So that's why I'm not finding the critical points directly. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever some trigonometric ratio is given to us, I mean the quadratic is given in some trigonometric ratio, it is better to always make perfect square. Okay, while solving. Then Aipsha, Devatri, Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Devang, Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Getting
Okay, okay. So let us start. Okay. Whenever we write sin x minus b plus 2 whole square is less than or equal to 3, actually, when we divide it by minus 4, the inequality sign should change. It should be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so there are two cases, right? One is sin x minus b plus 2 should be less than or equal to root 3 minus root 3, or sin x minus b plus 2 should be greater than or equal to root 3. Okay, from here, what do we get? We'll get b plus 2 is greater than or equal to sine plus root 3. Okay, this implies b is greater than or equal to sine plus root 3 minus 2. Now tell me everyone, b is greater than or equal to sine plus root 3 minus 2. Okay, that means b should be greater than the maximum value of the right hand side. What the maximum value of sine x? Tell me everyone.
So 1.
1. So substitute 1. This implies b is greater than or equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 root 3 minus 1. Next, over here, what do we get? Over here, we'll get b plus 2 is less than or equal to sine minus root 2. This implies b is less than or equal to sine minus 2 minus root 2. That means b should be less than or equal to the least value of the right hand side. Right, tell me everyone. What's the least value of the right hand side? Tell me.
So minus 3 minus root 2.
My least value of the right hand side. Actually, this should be root 3.
Oh, so
Tell me, tell me.
minus 3 minus root 3.
Minus 3 minus root 3, right? This implies b should be less than or equal to minus 3 minus root 3. So combining these two inequalities, therefore b belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 minus root 3 union root 3 minus 1 to infinity. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Done. Raktim, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one I'm solving. Next one I'm writing the answer. Decreasing in minus 50 comma minus 4 union 1 comma 4. Okay, in this range it is decreasing, and minus 4 comma 1 union 4 comma infinity, it is increasing. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next one, the range is minus half comma 22. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Range is minus half comma 22, so least value is minus half, maximum value is 22. Number 20 is C and D. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Aipsha, Devatri, Raktim, tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. 21 is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. 22. 22 is x equal to. Acha, minimum value is 3 into e minus 1 by e. Tell me. Avipsha, Devatri, Raktim, Ritam, Sathok. Anyone having any doubt, tell me.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Number 23 also came in advance this year only, everyone. Option is D. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. 24, 25 is proof. 20
Uh, Sir, can you please solve 24?
24. Okay, let's start with 24. So in order to find out the solution of this inequality, I mean, in order to prove this inequality, we have to take two functions because there are two inequalities given. So pay attention. I've got 2 by 2x plus 1 minus. So over here, there are two functions I'm going to take. One is f of x equal to ln 1 plus x, sorry, 2 by 2x plus 1 minus ln of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. If I prove that f of x is less than 0 for all x belongs to real, my proof is done. Okay. And another one, I'm taking g of x equal to ln 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x. Again, if I prove g of x is less than 0 for all x belongs to real, my proof is done. Right or not? Tell me. Okay, let us start. So over here, what is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square into 2 minus ln 1 plus 1 by x. I can write it as, sorry, minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Okay. After this, let us take 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 common. I mean denominator. X into x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. As LCM, numerator would be minus 4 into x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell me, Raktim, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay. After this, I need to see whether the function is increasing or decreasing, or what is happening actually. Okay. So I have to simplify this. Okay, let us simplify. Okay. Okay, over here, how will I simplify such a huge expression? Okay, anyways, let us simplify. We have to do it. There's no other choice left for us. Minus 4x square minus 4x minus 4x square minus 4x. It's a huge expression. Acha, wait. It's better to do it like this. See, minus ln 1 plus x minus ln x. Okay. Okay. So over here we have got minus x into 2x plus 1 whole square and minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So over here, mm, over here, and yeah, maybe a mistake. Wait. F of x can be simplified as, pay attention, it will be 2 by 2x plus 1 minus ln x plus 1. Oh, plus ln x. It should be plus ln x. So it should be plus 1 by x. Okay, everyone? So it will be plus. Okay. Now x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square minus x into 2x plus 1 whole square. This will become minus 4x square minus 4x into x plus 1. And over here, x plus 1 minus x, this will become only 2x plus 1 whole square. Now 2x plus 1 whole square numerator we can simplify. Okay. So over here, what are we getting? 2x plus 1 whole square minus 4x square minus 4x minus 4x square minus 4x minus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now see, minus 4x square is negative. No, it should be positive. Sorry. X plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square minus x into 2x plus 1 whole square. This should be positive. So these are positive. So these two will get cancelled. These all things will get cancelled. We'll get minus 1 by x into x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now over here, there should be a range
That
given.
is minus 1.
What?
So that is minus 1. So this should be plus 1.
Where I'm checking for x greater than 0. Where it should be plus 1. Let me see.
So that
Oh,
would
yes, yes,
be
yes. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So for all x greater than 0, this should be greater than 0, right? Tell me. Tell me. For all x greater than
yes,
0, this should be greater than 0. Okay, once you have got x greater than 0, I mean, f of f dash x is greater than 0, this implies f is always increasing, right? F is always increasing.
yes, sir.
So if f is always increasing, let us find out what will happen limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity. Okay, f of x, this will be equal to limit x tends to infinity 1 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, so can you understand that as x tends to infinity, this will be 0 minus ln 1 plus 0. So that is 0 and this is 0. Are you getting? Means it is 0 minus. So the graph will, I'm just drawing a rough diagram of this function. The function is always increasing, right? The function is always increasing. So the diagram will look somewhat like this. It is always below x-axis. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Always x-axis. This implies I can say that f of x is less than 0. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting? For all x greater than
Getting
0. Therefore, 1 by 2x plus 1 must be, must be less than ln 1 plus 1 by x. Second part, can you solve it or should I complete? Tell me. Second part also will get the same thing.
So I'll try it.
Should I solve? Tell me. I can solve. Tell me. G of x will be equal to ln x plus 1 minus ln x minus 1 by x. What is g dash x? G dash x will be equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Right. So take x into x plus 1 as LCM. X square into x plus 1 as LCM. Numerator would be over here x square minus x into x plus 1, that is x square plus x square minus x, and over here plus x plus 1. You see x square, x gets cancelled, we'll get 1 by x square into x plus 1. Again, see g dash x, g is increasing, right? This implies g dash x is greater than 0 for all x greater than 0. Therefore, g is increasing. And again, once you saw that g is increasing, okay, we can find out what will happen at infinity. Will it cross x-axis or not? Limit x tends to infinity. G of x will be equal to ln 1 plus x, 1 plus 1 by x. That is again 0. Minus 1 by x, it is 0 only. Okay. So the graph of g of x will also look somewhat like that only for x greater than 0. I tell you, are you getting Raktim?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, ln 1 plus 1 by x is also less than 1 by x. Done. Okay. Next. Okay, this time I gave a lot of homework. Next, number 25. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. 25. Anyone having any doubt? 26. Let me see what I've given for 26. 26, I'm telling you what is the answer. 26, the answer is, wait, let me check. Okay, 27, I'm saying it is A, B, and D. And this one, 5. 5, 5. Then the number of local maxima and minimum, I think 3 plus 2, 5. Right, 3 and 2. 2 and 3 or 3 and 2? Everyone, just check. 2 and 3, right? What did you people get? Tell me, Devang, Raktim, if you have solved it. Raktim, you have solved. Tell me. This one, number 26. Hello, Raktim. Am I audible, everyone? Tell me. Abhipsha and Jabatri, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Raktim, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What I'm saying is, over here, the answer is given as 2 and 3 or 3 and 2. What is it given?
So, can you please tell me the question number?
26. What answer you got? Tell me.
So, three minima and two maxima.
Okay, so I've written it correctly. Okay. Anyone else having any doubt, you can ask me now. Anyone else having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Tell me, Sarthak, you have any more doubts in homework questions? Sarthak
No,
and Devang, Ratim,
No, sir.
Aipsha and Devatri. If people have any doubt, tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. So the last thing that we did was Rolle's theorem. X into x plus 3, c was minus 2. So let us continue with Rolle's theorem, everyone. Okay. Let us continue with Rolle's theorem. Let me see. Okay, verify C of Rolle's. Okay. Verify question number 1 for today. Verify C of Rolle's for number 1, f of x equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 in close 0, comma 2. Number 2, f of x equal to mod x cubed in close minus 1 to 1. Solve. Yes, should I solve everyone? Tell me.
Sir, 1 minute. Do.
Sir, please
Okay.
wait.
Solve quickly. These are easy problems only. Yeah, Raktim, you have to find out the value of C as well.
Okay, sir, send me.
Sarthak, I'm waiting for you. Sarthak,
You can solve the first one.
fast one. Okay. So see, over here the function is continuous and differentiable, right? Tell a polynomial. It is function and it is continuous and differentiable. We just need to find out what is f of 0. F of 0 is equal to 5. And what is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 8 minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 5, right? Tell me, this will give us how much? This will also be 5 only. Right, tell me. F of 2 is 5, f of 0 is 5. That means roles, we can use Rolle's theorem, right? Therefore, there exists some C belongs to 0, comma 2, such that f dash C is equal to 0, right? And what is f dash C? 3C square minus 6C plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies 3C square minus 6C plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we have to use Sridhar-Acharya formula. C will be equal to 6 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, that is 36 minus 4 is 12, 24 by 2a, so 6. This will be 1 plus minus 1 upon root 3. Achha. Over here, which one lies between 0 and 2? Hmm?
Sir, both of
Okay,
them.
Raktim, you are
1
making some mistake.
plus
Sir, both of them.
Both of them lies between
both,
0
sir.
and 2, right? Since both 1 plus minus, so there are two C of roles belongs to 0, comma 2. So there are two C of roles. Tell me, Abhipsha, Debat. Okay, Debatri, is it clear? Ritam, have you understood?
Sir, actually, I have seen.
Okay, yes. Debatri, your answer is correct. Ritam, have you understood? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So Ritam, solve the next ones.
Yes, sir.
f of x equal to mod x cube. Quickly solve, everyone. Yes. Devatri, your answer is correct. Devatri, since the mod is given, you have to check. Oh, yes, you have checked it. Yes, it is correct. Yes, Sarthak, your answer is correct. What about others? Aipsha, your answer is correct. Who else is left? Okay, Raktim is left, Ritam is left. Raktim and Ritam, should I start? Tell me. Hello, Ritam. Should I start?
1 minute, sir, sending.
Send quickly. Yes, it is correct. So only Raktim is left. Raktim, tell me.
Yes, sir. So I'm getting 0 only.
So why didn't you write?
So I wrote it
Let me see.
before 1.
Oh, Ritam, send your full solutions. Okay. Yes, it is correct. Yes, C should be equal to 0. So I'm not solving, everyone. C has to be equal to 0. Next, let us continue. Question number 2. Let f of x equal to 4x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Use Rolle's theorem. Use Rolle's theorem to show that, to prove that there exists some c belongs to 0, 1 such that f of c is equal to 0. Question number 3. If f maps 0, pi by 2 to 0, 1 is differentiable, such that is differentiable such that f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of pi by 2 is equal to 1, then option A, f dash at alpha is equal to 2 by pi or at least 1 alpha belonging to 0, pi by 2. Option B, f of alpha into f dash alpha is equal to 1 by pi or at least 1 alpha belonging to 0, pi by 2. Option C, f dash alpha is equal to 8 alpha by pi square or at least 1 alpha belonging to 0 comma pi by 2. And option D, f dash at alpha is equal to root over 1 minus f of alpha whole root over 1 minus f of alpha whole square, or at least 1 alpha belonging to 0 comma pi by 2. Quickly solve, everyone. Okay, number 2, let me check. Devang, right answer.
Sir,
Yes, Devang, tell me.
number 3 is multiple option correct.
Multiple correct type. Number 3 is multiple correct type, everyone. Yes, Soipsha, right answer. Devang, check your answer again.
So can you solve number 2?
Okay. Number 1 is the number 2. Okay, okay, yes. So Sarthak, Ritam, and Debatri, pay attention. Over here, see, you have to come to this point, right? You have to come to a conclusion that f of c is equal to 0, right? So in order to use rules, in rules,
F
what
dash
happens?
C.
In rows, it happens like f dash c is equal to 0, right? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. In rows, it happens that f dash c is equal to 0. But over here, we need f of c is equal to 0. So that means we need to find out a function whose differential is this, right? Are you getting, everyone? We need to find out a function whose differential is
So
this.
we have to
So what?
integrate this.
Exactly. So let f of x is equal to integral of f of x. Are you getting Devatri? Ritam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after integrating, what do we get? We'll get x to the power 4 minus x cube minus x square plus x. Now what is f of 0? Let us see if we can apply rules or not. Continuous, f is continuous and differentiable, right? F is continuous and differentiable. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting? And what is
I'm
f of
getting
0? F of 0 is equal to 0 and f of 1 is also equal to 0,
0.
right? So we can apply rules. Therefore, f dash x, which is equal to, therefore there exists some c belongs to 0, comma 1 such that f dash c, which is equal to f of c is equal to 0 for some c belongs to 0, comma 1. Hence proved. Tell me, are you getting, Sarthak?
Okay, sir, understood.
Yes. Okay, try it out. Number 3. Yes, Ritam, you understood? Yes, Debatri, your answer is correct. Devank, write down which options are correct at once. Don't send me the answers one by one. Ritam, check your answer again. I mean, Devank, check your answer again. Tell me, should I solve this one? Tell me, Sarthak, Devank,
Sir, 1 minute.
Raktim, your answer is correct. So see, again, you have to come to a point such that f dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi. Are you getting? Ritam, I have told you to send me the full solution, right? I need the full. I need full solutions. Good evening, Prakta. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Prakta, you joined so late.
So the class is from 6:30, right?
Oh, so I don't think you followed the group, right?
Oh,
Acha, anyways, after the class, I'll be sending the recording. Okay, so you go through
yes,
the
I'll
recording.
see the PDF and recording.
Yes. Yes, let me solve this one. Everyone pay attention. So I need to come to a point such that f dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi, right? Tell me. Sarthak. Hello, Sarthak.
Yes.
What I'm going to do is let f of x is equal to, sorry, let g of x is equal to f of x minus 2x by pi, right?
Why?
So that when you differentiate, you are going to get f dash x is equal to 2 by pi, right? We just need to see whether whether Role's theorem will be applicable over here or not, okay? And in which interval we have to take 0 to pi by 2. Now tell me, is g differentiable and is g continuous and differentiable?
Yes.
Over here, g is continuous and differentiable, right? After you understand that g is continuous and differentiable, you check what is g of 0. G of 0 is equal to 0 only. And what is g of pi by 2? G of pi by 2 is also equal to 0. Check it. You'll get 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore,
Hmm.
there exists some c belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash c or g dash alpha is equal to 0, right? This implies g dash alpha is f dash alpha minus 2 by pi is equal to 0. Tell me, are you getting Sathok? This implies f dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi. Tell me.
But still in the like I couldn't understand the first step. Like why you took the expression as that only?
Yes, because I need to come to this point, right? F dash alpha. See, I need to come to a point f dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi. So when you
Okay,
integrate,
okay.
what will you get?
Okay, understood.
F of alpha, after integration, f of alpha is equal to 2 alpha by pi, right?
Yes, I understood.
So then I took g of x as, I think, Prakto, you already know what is Role's theorem, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Ritam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ritam, you didn't send me the full solution. What happened?
Sending, sir.
Send. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Uh, Sathok, what you have to do, what you have to take in the second one. Tell me. After integrating, what do we get? F of alpha into f dash alpha. After integrating, what do we get? It will become f of alpha whole square by 2, isn't it? Tell me, Aibsha, Devatri,
That I
Raktim.
just sent.
Oh, yes, you are correct. Tell me, Aibsha, are you getting?
Sure.
Sarthak, you're getting?
Understood.
This is number 4. So let g of x is equal to f of alpha whole square by 2 minus f of alpha whole square by 2 minus 1 by pi. I mean x by pi. Right. After that, we have to just check, right, what is g of 0? G of 0 is equal to 0 only. What is g of pi by 2? G of pi by 2 is equal to half minus half, which is equal to 0. So therefore, g dash alpha will be equal to 0. So option B is also correct, right? This implies f of alpha into f dash alpha is equal to 1 by pi. Option B is also correct. So over here, now you can understand that all the options are correct, right? Tell me. Similarly, option C will also be correct, right? For option C, what function we should take? Tell me, Sarthak, Aisha, Devang, tell me what function we have to take for option
Let's
C.
call upon sir.
Yes. You should come to a point where f dash alpha is equal to 8 alpha by pi square. Tell me what option
Sir,
we should
x
take.
alpha minus 8 alpha square by 2 pi square.
8 alpha square. Are you sure? Think
Or like
properly.
4 alpha square by pi square.
Correct, correct. So
So
g of x is
I told 2 in the denominator.
so 4 g of x is equal to f of x minus 4x square by pi, right? Tell me, pi square. So g is continuous and differentiable. What is g of 0? G of 0 is equal to 0. And g of pi by 2 is also equal to 0. Right, tell me. So there exists some alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash alpha is equal to 0. Therefore, f of f dash at alpha is equal to 8 alpha by pi square. Hello, Ritam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ritam, what happened? You
Sir,
won't,
photo is not going.
photo is not going. Why?
Sending again.
Huh?
Sir, must be some internet issue.
Internet issue. Can you turn your camera on?
Sir, I told you I don't have a camera.
You don't have a camera. What to do? So much, so many problems. In 2026, people are having slow internet. People are having camera issues. What to say? Anyway, so Ritam, tell me what function we should take for option D. Tell me.
Sir, g of x,
G of x equal to what? What function we should take?
f dash x by root over 1 minus f of x whole square.
That is G of x. Hmm? So anyways, pay attention, everyone. Okay. Over here, I need the function in the differential on one side, right? Rakti, you tell me what should we take for G of x?
So g of x is f of x square by 2, then f of alpha square equal to 2 into g of alpha.
They cannot understand what have you done. Wait, for option D, I'll ask you. Tell me, what have you done?
Sir,
Yes.
actually, in my solution, I did it totally different way.
So tell me your solution only. Tell me option D. How did you get it correct?
Sir, actually, sir, from the starting, I did different. The range, domain, and both the properties are matching fx equal to sin x. So I compare it with this thing.
So how did you start?
Sir, fx, assuming fx equal to sin x, then f alpha equal to sin alpha, then f dash alpha
Acha,
equal to cos alpha.
anyways, pay attention. Pay attention, Sarthak. So over here, I need to create a function, right? You see, f dash alpha upon root over 1 minus f of alpha whole square should be equal to x 1, right? Tell me. On integrating, what do we get? Tell me. The left hand side, when you integrate, Sarthak, what do we get? Tell me, Sarthak.
So that is whole square.
No, not whole square, my mistake. Square is only over f of alpha. Okay. It is like dx upon root over 1 minus x square, right? What is integral of dx by root over 1 minus x square? Do you know?
Sine inverse x.
Sine.
Sine inverse, right? So this will become how much? Sine inverse
F of
f of
alpha.
x. F of x, right? Tell me. This will be equal to x. Okay. So over here, what do we take for g of x? That g of x is equal to sine inverse f of x minus x, isn't it? Tell me. After that, we have to check what will happen. G of 0, 0. G of pi by 2. Sine inverse f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 is 1. So it will be pi by 2 only. So it is 0. Therefore, there exists some alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash alpha is equal to 0. This implies f dash alpha should be equal to root over 1 minus f of alpha whole square. Tell me. Are you getting? Tell me, Sarthak.
Understood, sir.
I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, next. Aipsha, is it clear? Aipsha, Devang, you people understood?
Yes, sir.
Note, if a function, if a function is equal 10 points, if a function is equal at 10 points, then f dash x is equal to 0 in at least 9 points. F dash x is equal to 0 in at least 9 points. Okay, in that interval. Okay, provided that f is continuous and differentiable. Provided that f is continuous and differentiable. Remember. Okay, like for example, y is equal to sine x. In case of y equal to sine x, you see, this is y equal to sine x. Okay, this is y equal to sine x. Okay, see, it is equal to 0 at so many points, right? At all integral points, it is equal to 0. I hope you people can understand. Okay. So, for example, you see sine x equal to 0. Between 0 to 2 pi only, let us check. This is 0. This is 2 pi. Between 0 to 2 pi, at how many points f of x equal to 0? Tell me. Tell me. Between 0 to 2 pi, at how many points f of x equal to 0? Close, close. 3 points, right? Tell
Three.
me. Right, Sarthak. F of x equal to 0 at 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And f dash x is equal to 0 at how many points? 2. Can you
2.
understand? So see, so if f of a1 equal to f of a2 is equal to dot 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 is equal to f of a10 is equal to some constant, okay? Not only 0 and 0 or a constant, okay? Or lambda. Then there exists at least 1 point, then there exists at least 1 point in A1, A2 such that f dash C1, 1 point C1 you can say, such that f dash C1 is equal to 0. Right, tell me, Sarthak, Raktim, Devang, Aipsha, Devatri, Ritam, are people getting? There exists at least 1 point in A2, A3, A2, A3, such that f dash at C2 is equal to 0. Tell me. Similarly, there will be how many intervals? Tell me. Similarly, there will be how many intervals?
9.
There will be 9 such intervals. So 9 such intervals means 9 points, right? Okay. This implies C1 belongs to A1, A2, comma C2 belongs to A2, A3, dot. Similarly, C9 belongs to A9, A10. Okay, respectively. Okay, C9 belongs to A9, A10. Okay, this implies there will be 9 roots of, there will be 9 roots of f dash c is equal to 0. Okay, now if the function is double differentiable, now if the function is double differentiable, a function is double differentiable, then f dash x is equal to 0 at 9 points. So applying Rolle on f, so applying rolls on f dash x, what can we say? F double dash x is equal to 0 in at least how many points? 8 points. Right, tell me. And similarly, f triple dash x is equal to 0 in at least how many points? Tell me. In at least how many
7
points?
points.
7 points. Are you getting? You keep differentiating. Okay, the number of roots will also decrease. Okay. Acha, next, for the next problem, you will need this. Okay. You people know UV rule, right? Integral of UV. Anyone who does not knows? If you don't know, tell me. I'll write it.
Sir, can you please write it?
Integral of UV will be equal to U integral of D V. Okay. Acha, one of them will be integrable, another one will be differentiable. Okay. Whichever is easier to integrate, you integrate that function. Okay. But generally, there is a rule. Okay. That rule I'm going to discuss it in the next chapter. Minus integral of v dash, sorry, u dash into integral of v dot dv. Okay. Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Integral of u dash into integral of v. Okay. Okay, quickly let us solve. So Sarthak, you have any doubts? Sarthak, Devang,
No, sir.
Raktim,
No, sir.
Prakto, you understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prakto, you also send your answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so only Debatri has sent one problem. Okay, Debatri, your answer is correct. Okay, so over here, how you people have to come to this conclusion? Pay attention. P dash C plus 100 PC is equal to 0. Over here, how you have to come to the conclusion? So Prakta, pay attention. Over here, you have to generate a function. You have to create a function such that after differentiating, you are coming to this expression. Understood? Tell me. So first of all, let us integrate. Right? Tell me. Are you getting Prakta? Prakta,
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, Aipsha. Are people getting? Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
Rakib,
Getting
Devang. Are
Yes,
people
sir.
getting? So P dash C by PC plus 100 must be equal to 0, right? You people come to this conclusion. So let us integrate. On integrating, let g of x is equal to p dash c by, p dash x by px plus 100. Devang, are you getting? So on integrating, what do we get? Integral of g of x will be equal to integral of p dash x upon p of x plus 100, which will give us, tell me, what is integral of p dash x by px? Tell me. Anyone? What is integral
LNP of
of
X.
ln p of x? Right, tell me. Ln p of x plus 100x. Okay. Now this will become how much? Plus c. Plus c will also be there. Okay. And this is the integral of g of x. Okay. So that means your function should be somewhat like this. So let f of x equal to ln p of x plus 100x plus c. And it should be equal to 0, right? So let us create the polynomial. Okay. Putting it equal to 0 to create the polynomial. This implies ln p of x must be equal to minus 100x minus c. This implies p of x is equal to e to the power minus 100x minus c. Okay. So from here, what we can conclude? We can take the function as q of x equal to p of x into e to the power 100x. Achha, wait a minute. You will understand why I'm taking this. Wait. Multiplying by e to the power 100x on both sides. P of x into e to the power 100x is equal to e to the power minus c. Now see everyone, when you differentiate this, right hand side will become 0. Right, tell me. Right hand side is a constant, right hand side will become 0. Right. Producto, Aipsha,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Debatri, are people getting? Uh, I mean, Ritam, Devang, are people getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let q of x equal to p of x into e to the power minus 100x. Oh, sorry, e to the power 100x. Now let us check everyone. Since a and b are the roots of p of x, are the roots of p of x. P of a and p of b will be 0, right? What is q of a? Q of a is equal to q of b is equal to 0. Okay. So there exists some c belongs to a comma b such that q dash c is equal to 0. And what is q dash c? Q dash c is equal to p of x into p of c into 100 into e to the power 100c plus e to the power 100c into p dash c. This will be equal to 0. Okay, putting it equal to 0. Okay, what do we get, everyone? Let us take e to the power 100c common. I think we'll get the result. See, everyone? Tell me, Sathok, you understood? 100 pc plus p dash c. Okay, so see, since e to the power 100c cannot be equal to 0, right? This cannot be equal to 0. So p dash c plus 100c will be equal to 0. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Devang, Raktim, Ritam, Oibsha, Prakto, is it clear? Tell me. Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then number 5, try it out. Try number 5, everyone. Okay, should I solve 5, everyone? Tell me. 5 is purely advanced base problem. Tell me. Should I start? Number 5, everyone. Tell me. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Second one. Over here, f double dash x exists. Okay, and f of x equal to f of 6 minus x. Okay, okay. So everyone, in the interval 0 to 6, I need to find out how many roots does this equation have. Okay, so what you do is, you take g of x as this equation. Okay, let g of x equal to, this is question number, whatever, what is the question number? Question number 5. Let g of x is equal to f double dash x whole square. Okay, actually, let us take the integral of this, okay, such that g dash x will be equal to 0. Okay, everyone. Integral of f double dash x whole square plus integral of f dash x, or you can say plus f dash x into f triple dash x. Okay, everyone. So see, over here we'll get integral of f double dash x whole square plus integral of f dash x into f triple dash x. Right. So over here we can apply UV rule, right? Tell me, everyone. Sathok, Devang, Raktim, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Aisha, Devatri, are you people getting? Over here we can apply UV rule. Tell me which
Yes,
one to
sir.
integrate and which one to differentiate. It would be better. Tell me which one to integrate and which one to differentiate. It would be better. Tell me, everyone. Integrating f triple dash x would be better, isn't it? Tell me, everyone. So this implies this will be equal to integral of f double dash x whole square plus, I'm going to integrate, everyone, f triple dash x. So we'll get f dash x into integral of f triple dash x, okay, minus integral of derivative of f dash x, so that will become f double dash x, into integral of f triple dash x. Tell me, are people getting? Okay, let us simplify. This will become integral of Sarthak, are you getting? Yes or no? F double dash x whole square
Getting
plus f dash x into integral of f triple dash x will become f double dash x minus integral of f double dash x. Integral of f double dash x, f triple dash x will become f double dash x. So it will become f double dash x whole square. Can you people see that these two will get cancelled? Finally, you are going to get g of x is equal to f dash x into f double dash x. Okay. Once you have got the function g of x, okay, your task is to find out the number of roots of this function. Okay. Actually, this is integral of g of x. Okay. This is integral of g of x. Or it would, no, this is g of x only. Okay, g of x is equal to this. Okay. Now we need to find out the number of roots of f dash x and f double dash x. See, in the question it is given f of x equal to f of 6 minus x. F dash 0. So over here everyone, f of x equal to f of 6 minus x. So can I write f dash x is equal to minus of f dash 6 minus x? Tell me everyone, are the people getting? So from here, everyone, f dash 1 will be equal to, it is given in the question, right? Oh no, f dash 0 is given. F dash 0 is equal to 0, 0, 2 and 5 is given. F dash 0 is 0. This is also equal to minus f dash 6, right? See, so f dash 0 is 0, f dash 6 is equal to 0. F dash 5 can be written as 0, which is equal to minus f dash 1. Yes, so f1 and 5, I've got two more roots. F dash 2, f dash 2 is equal to 0, is equal to minus f dash 4. So I've got two more roots, right? So 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 roots in this interval. Will there be any more root? Tell me. Reacto, Aipsha, Devatri, tell me. Will there be any more root? What do you think? Aipsha, Prayakto, Devatri, Sathok, Ritam, Raktim, tell me. Will there be any more root over here? Yes or no? Tell me.
If at f dash 3 we're getting minus f dash 3, so it is
Ah. See everyone, f dash 3 is equal to minus f dash 3. Okay, so from here, can I say that f dash 3 is equal to 0? Yes, f dash 3 is also equal to 0. So there are how many roots of f of x, f dash x? Tell me.
plus 7.
This implies there are 7 roots of f dash x. So tell me everyone, how many roots, therefore number of roots of f double dash x will be equal to?
Plus 6.
6. So number of roots of g of x will be equal to? Remember, g of x is equal to f dash x into f double dash x. How
So
many roots will be there? 13, right? Tell me. Tell me, Aipsha, Devatri, Raktim,
Yes, sir.
Ritam and Sarthok, tell me. This will be equal to 6. Okay. So how many roots will be there for g dash x? Tell me. G dash c should be equal to 0, right? Tell me. This is the derivative of g of x. This is the derivative of g of x. So how many roots will be there for g dash x? Tell me. Achha,
5.
g of x is equal to f dash x into f double dash x. Okay, so who said 6? Tell me. Somebody said 6. Who said 6? Raktim.
Sir, I said 13.
Oh, acha. But why did I write 6 then? Maybe 13. So how many roots will be there for g dash x? Tell me. Tell me, everyone.
Well,
12. Is it clear to everyone? See, this kind of questions can be asked in advance. Tell me. Aipsha, Devatri, Raktim, Ritam. Tell me. Trakto, is it clear? Tell me.
yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes.
having any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, I hope you people have understood. Okay, next. Okay, our next topic is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, everyone, LMVT. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, everyone, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Or you can say LMVT, famously known as LMVT. If F satisfies the following, if F satisfies number one, continuity in closed interval A comma P. Number two, differentiability in open A comma P. Number three, F of A may or may not, okay, does not matter, may or may not be equal to F of B. Okay. Number four, then there exists, then there exists at least one C belongs to A comma P such that F dash C is equal to F of B minus F of A upon B minus A. Okay, everyone. F dash C is equal to F of B minus F of A upon B minus A. Okay. Let us first of all see the mathematical proof, and then I'm going to show you the geometrical proof. Okay, geometrically, what does it represents? So I'm going to take f of x is equal to, I mean, g of x is equal to f of x minus f of b minus f of a upon b minus a into x. Okay, everyone. So everyone pay attention. Over here, g of x is continuous and differentiable, right? Tell me, everyone. G of x is continuous and differentiable. Okay. What is g of a, everyone? Tell me. What are you getting for g of a? G of a is equal to f of a minus f of b minus f of a upon b minus a into a. So everyone, when you take LCM, numerator would be bf of a minus af of a minus af of b minus minus plus af of a. So everyone, af of a gets cancelled. You are going to get bf of a minus af of b upon b minus a. So everyone, you are getting g of a is this. What will be g of b? G of b will also be the same. Everyone, try it out. G of b will also be the same. Okay. Once you see that g of a and g of b is same, okay, can I apply rules over here? Tell me. Tell me. So applying rules on g of x, there exists some c belongs to closed a comma b such that g dash at c must be equal to 0. If g dash at c is equal to 0, this implies f dash at c minus f of b minus f of a upon b minus a should be equal to 0. Right, tell me, Sarthak, Devang, Oipsha, Ritam, Prakto, is it clear?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So from here we'll get f dash c is equal to the whole result. Okay. Geometrically, what does it represent? Pay attention. Geometrical meaning. Geometrical meaning. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. Geometrical meaning. This is A. This is B. Okay. See, everyone. I'm going to draw a graph. See, over here, f of A is not equal to f of B. Right, everyone. Over here, f of A is not equal to f of B. This is what f of A is. This is what f of B is. Okay. So this is f of A comma f of A. Achha, what does it represent, everyone? F of B minus f of A upon B minus A. What does it represent? Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Tell me. What does f of B minus f of A upon B minus A represents over here? Tell me. Yes, Aipsha, tell me.
So the average rate of change.
Average rate of change. Or we can actually say slope of chord, right? Tell me. We can say slope of chord joining the endpoints. Right. Now what does LMVT says? LMVT says that there exists at least one C. LMVT says that there exists at least one C in this interval such that the tangent at that point, f dash c means the tangent, slope of tangent, right? Such that the tangent at that point will be parallel to this chord. Are people getting? Such that the tangent at that point will be parallel to this chord. Pay attention, everyone. I'm just going to draw the straight line. Okay. Are you people able to see that this is a parallel chord, parallel tangent, and this is a tangent parallel to the chord which I have drawn? Tell me. Tell me, Sarthak, Devatri, Oipsha, are you people able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Devang, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Ritam, are you getting? Prajakto, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, are you getting this? Tell me.
Getting
Okay. So basically, slope of chord should be equal to. Okay, this is the whole idea behind LMVT. Okay, slope of chord will be equal to for B minus f of A upon B minus A. Okay, so you can write it down. Slope of purple chord will be equal to slope of curve. Slope of curve at C. Okay. So Lagrange's mean value theorem says Lagrange's Lagrange's mean value theorem states that there exists at least one point, so that there exists at least one point, at least one point in A comma B where means you are accelerating you're accelerating and then you're putting on brakes. Okay, somewhere in between you will definitely cross your average. Are you getting? One point in A comma B where instantaneous rate change, instantaneous rate change, this will be equal to average rate of change. However, we draw the graph, average rate of change. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. If the function is continuous and differentiable, remember. However, we draw the graph. Tell me, are the people getting? Yes or no? Anyone who is having any doubt, tell me. See, I'm drawing another graph between these 2 points. Okay, I'm going to draw another graph. See, even if you draw a graph like this, okay, tell me, between these 2 points. See, this is the slope of chord. This is the chord actually. Tell me, this is the chord. Tell me, will you get any point such that these two lines are parallel? Will you be able to get? Yes, see, I'm going to get.
Point.
Are the people getting yes or no? Tell me. Aipsha, Devatri,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raktim, Ritam, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Question number 6. Find C of LMVT for number 1, f of x equal to square root of x minus 1 in close to 1 comma 3. Number 2, f of x equal to x upon x plus 2 in 1 comma 4. Solve everyone quickly. And everyone should send their answer. Just apply LMVT, okay? You'll get the answer.
Sir, we have to write the coordinate.
Yes, hello, Rasim. What did you say?
So we have to write the coordinate or the number only.
Point. Write down the point as well. So let me see who has sent. Okay, Devatri, you have sent. Let me see. You have sent only the first part, right, Devatri?
So just send the second one.
Yes, first part is correct. Devang, both are correct.
Sir, I just sent this. Okay.
Okay, okay. Raktim part 1 is correct. Sarthak part 1 is correct. Aipsha, Aipsha both are correct. Devatri, the second one is also correct. Okay, only Ritam is left. Ritam, what happened? Should I solve? Tell me. Hello, Ritam. Oh, he's there. Ritam and Prajakto.
Sir, sent.
Okay, I have received. Okay, Ritam, your answer is correct. Prajakto, are you there? Prajakto, should I solve? Or are you solving? Tell me. Hello, Prajakto. Prajakto, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir, sir. My mic wasn't working. Yes, I solved those two.
So tell me, what are the values of C? Just tell me the value of C's.
Sir, 3 by 2 and 3 root 2 minus 2.
Correct, correct. So I'm not solving these questions, okay? You people have already solved it. Part 1 is C is equal to 3 by 2. And part 2, C is equal to 3 root 2 minus 2. Okay. Next. From next week, the normal classes will start, okay, everyone? In the way it used to happen on Mondays also. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
So Tuesdays will be like 3 hours.
Tuesday, 2, 2, 2. Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Back to 2 plus 2, okay? From next week. Also, I am thinking that can we start Tuesdays a little bit early? Can we start from 7? Is it possible?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Le-
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways, I'm going to put a poll on the group. Okay. Let's see.
Sir, is it from tomorrow or the next week?
Uh, Tomorrow also I can do. Acha, wait, I'll put a
Yes, sir.
poll in the group.
Sir, for tomorrow, if we could do it from 9 and
Acha,
next week.
tomorrow from 9. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Devatri, you have tuitions generally at 7 or uh, what is
So
it?
tomorrow, actually, I won't be at home for a while, so I might return a
Okay.
bit.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Prakto, can we start from 7 on Tuesdays? Tell me.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay. Cauchy's mean
Sir,
value theorem.
evening 7 or morning 7?
Sir,
Evening,
then,
evening.
Okay, okay.
Yes, tell me, Sato.
sir, then tomorrow 7 or 9.
Tomorrow it is 9 because everyone cannot do it. Okay. So after that, we'll do it. Okay. Next week. Okay. If F and G, if F and G are continuous and differentiable, if F and G are continuous and differentiable, if F and G are continuous and differentiable, then f of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash c by g dash c. Okay. F of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash c by g dash c. Let us see the proof. Cauchy's theorem. So everyone, we know, right? F dash c is equal to, we can use LMVT on f of x. F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a, and g dash c is equal to g of b minus g of a upon b minus a. Okay, applying LMVT on both f of x and g of x. Okay, so after this we can divide, right? This implies f dash c by g dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a and g of b minus g of a upon b minus a. Right, tell me everyone. We'll get the result, isn't it? Tell me. Sarthak, Devang, Raktim, Aipsha, Debatri, are you people getting the proof?
Yes, sir.
And we'll
Yes,
get
sir.
our result.
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, is it clear? Prakto, is it clear? Tell me.
Then please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. But everyone, this proof is totally wrong. Can you tell me why? The proof which I did, this proof is totally wrong. Can you people tell me why? Okay, think for 2 minutes and then I'll ask.
So because the value of
Yes, so Debatri has raised the hand. Tell me, Debatri.
so because the value of C can't be same in both the cases. But it can be same, but it can also be different. So we cannot assume it to be.
Correct, everyone. Pay attention. I mean, try to understand. It may happen that this C is different than this C. Right, tell me, everyone. The tangent at a particular point may be parallel, may not be parallel, right? At a particular C. At a particular C, it can happen that Rolle's theorem, I mean, LMVT, is applicable for f of x. But at that particular point, what is the guarantee that it is applicable for g of x as well? Are you people getting? Tell me. Prapto, are you getting? So
Yes.
luckily we are getting the result. Like, see, this is the, I mean, pay attention, everyone. This is the length of the chord, right? I mean, this is the slope of the chord for f of x. Okay. And this is this is the slope of the tangent at a particular C for g of x. Okay. So everyone pay attention. At this point, if I draw the tangent for g of x, let us call this f of x. Okay. At this point, if I draw the tangent for g of x, okay, I want to draw the tangent for g of x. At this point, if I draw the tangent for g of x, do you people think it will be parallel to the chord? Tell me. Vaipsha, Devatri, Ritam, tell me. Raktim, do you think it will be parallel to the chord? Tell me. Are these
No,
two yellow
sir.
lines parallel? No. Sarthak, are you getting why it is technically wrong?
Getting
This proof is wrong. So everyone, what is the actual proof? What is the actual proof of Cauchy's theorem? Pay attention. F dash C upon G dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon G of B minus G of A. What can we do, everyone? We can cross multiply. This implies f dash C into G of B minus G of A is equal to G dash C into f of B minus f of A. Okay, everyone? After this, what you do, you take another function. Let h of x is equal to G of x into f of B minus f of A minus f of x into G of B minus G of A. So everyone, over here, what is, now see, this function is continuous and differentiable, right? Here, h is continuous and differentiable. Okay. What is h of A, everyone? H of A is equal to G of A into f of B minus G of A into f of A minus f of A into G of B plus f of A into G of A. Right, tell me. Rakto, are you getting? These two gets cancelled. What are we getting? We are going to get G of A into f of A minus, sorry, G of A into, what have I written? G of A into f of B, it should be. G of A into f of B minus f of A into G of B. What will be h of B? Trust me, everyone. H of B will also be the same. You try to find it at home. H of B will also be the same. Okay, everyone. H of B will also be the same. Okay. So h of A is equal to h of B. What can we apply, everyone? Tell me. What can we apply? There exists some C belongs to. Tell me, everyone, what can we apply? A comma B such that. Tell me, if h is continuous differentiable, h of A equal to h of B, what can we apply,
What
everyone?
theorem?
What? Sarthak, what?
No, sorry, LMVT, LMVT.
LMVT. Rose theorem, right? What happened? Such that h dash x is equal to 0, h dash c is equal to 0, right? This implies g dash c. Tell me, those who are online, are the people getting yes or no? Of A minus f of B minus f dash c into g of A minus g of B. No, g f of B minus f of A and f dash c into g of B minus g of A. This will be equal to 0. Rest you can understand. This implies f dash c by g dash c is equal to f of B minus f of A upon g of B minus g of A. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Tell me, has everyone understood? Sarthak, Raktim, Ritam,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Devatri, Aipsha,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Rakto, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7. F of x is continuous and differentiable. Of x is continuous and differentiable in closed A comma B. Prove that there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that f dash C by 3C square is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B cube minus A cube. Solve. Question number 8. for the following functions, determine whether C is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, or harmonic mean between A and B. Number one, f of x equal to 1 by x and g of x equal to 1 by x square. Number two, f of x equal to square root of x and g of x equal to 1 by square root of x. Solve quickly. Tell me, is it done? Okay, only Raktim and Devang has sent. What about others? I think I have to solve the first one. First one, look at the denominator, everyone. In the denominator, whose differential is given? Tell me. Some function's differential is given, right? Tell me, Sarthak, can you identify 3c square? After differentiating which term, which expression will get 3x square? Tell me.
Sir, I just sent it to you.
C cube.
C cube, right? Very good. So that means we need to take g of x equal to x cube, isn't it? Yes, Raktim, your answer is correct. Devatri, your answer is correct. Devang, all your answers are correct. Aipsha, your answer is correct. Doctor, you're not sending me the answers. What happened?
Sir, I don't have the mobile.
Okay. So, Prakta, I'm solving the first one. The match. Pay attention, everyone. Over here, let us take g of x equal to number 7. Let g of x equal to x cube. Okay. So, everyone, we can apply LMVT on both. Right. F dash c by g dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a. Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting? So this will give us how much? F dash c by 3c square. This will be equal to f of b minus f of a upon b cube minus a cube. Is it clear, Sarthak? Tell me.
Yes.
Next one, solve. Yes, Raktim, part 1 is correct. Aipsha, part 1 is correct. Okay, let me solve, everyone. 8 part
Sir,
1.
1 minute.
Okay, send.
Sir, can I see the answer?
Wait. Let him send, then I'll ask you, okay?
Okay.
Sir, have you received?
Yes, just give me 1 minute. I'm checking. Devatri, part 1 is correct. Sarthak, check part 1. Okay, Sarthak, pay attention in part 1. Same thing, Sarthak, we have to do the same thing, right? F dash C by G dash C. Pay attention. F dash C by G dash C must be equal to F of B minus F of A upon G of B minus G of A. Right, tell me. Over here, A and B is given, not given. Acha, we need to actually find out whether it is AM, GM, or HM. F dash C is minus 1 by C square upon minus 2 by C cube, isn't it? Tell me. This will be
Yes,
equal to how much? F of B is
E by
1 by
2.
X minus 1 by X. 1 by F of B minus F of A, right? 1 by B minus 1 by A upon 1 by B square minus 1 by A square, right? Tell me. Okay. This implies over here, what do we get? We'll get C by 2. C by 2 is equal to A minus B by AB multiplied by A square B square upon A square minus B square. These two will get cancelled. From here, what do we get? C is equal to 2AB by A plus B. So what do we say? Tell me.
HM.
HM. Right, harmonic mean. Tell me. Part 2 should I solve? Acha, I mean, Prakto, you got HM only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Debatri, your answer is correct. Vaipsha, your answer is correct. Ritam, are you solving?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Try, solve and send. Tell me, Sarthak, should I solve? Second one,
So 1 minute send.
quickly send. Who is left for the second one? Debat. Okay. Raktim is left.
Sir, I am getting a
Sarthak, your
very
answer is
large
correct.
equation.
What? Tell me.
Sir, I am solving in same way, but I am getting a very large equation at the end.
Okay, okay. Let me solve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, Raktim. Raktim, Ritam. Prakto, what answer you got? Tell me. Tell me, Prakto.
So the
Did you
second
get
one,
second one?
GM.
GM, correct. F dash C by G dash C is equal to 1 by 2 root X. Oh, wait a minute. This will be equal to F of B minus F of A. So root over B minus root over A upon 1 by root over B minus 1 by root over a. Right, tell me, are you getting Rakti? F dash c is equal to
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 root over c and g dash c is equal to
Minus 1
mi-
by 2 root over 2 c to the power 3 by 2.
why 2 c to the power 3 by 2?
I mean 3, c to the power minus 3 by 2.
C to the power minus 3 by 2. C to the power 3 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 c to the power 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Okay, this will be equal to how much? Root over b minus root over a upon root over a minus root over b upon root over ab. These two will go by minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. What are we getting? C to the power 3 by 2 minus c to the power half is c. C is equal to square root of ab. Tell me, are you getting that thing? This implies gm, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Next, you can call up once.
Yes.
Sir, understood, sir.
Okay. Okay, next. Another problem, everyone. That was question number 8. Another problem. Question number 9. Pay attention. Okay, this is question number 9. You have to tell me which option is correct. Question number 9. Quickly solve. Tell me, should I solve? Okay. So see everyone, this sum can be done graphically, right? Y equal to f of x is double differentiable such that f of a is equal to f of b is equal to 0. F of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. Option A, f double dash c is less than 0. Option B, f double dash c is greater than 0. Option C, f of c is equal to 0. Option D, none. Pay attention, everyone. So one of the case can be somewhat like this. This is A, this is B. Okay, one of the case can be somewhat like this, right? So over here, is the function concave upwards or concave downwards? Right, tell me. Over
Sir,
here,
can you please repeat the explanation for this sum from the beginning? Actually, my network was lost, so I rejoined
see,
now.
f of x is double differentiable, right? F of a is equal to f of b is equal to 0. So see, f of a and b are the roots of this function. F of x is always upwards. I mean, f of x is greater than 0, that means totally above the x-axis, see? And for all x belongs to a comma b, we need to find out f double dash c is greater than 0, less than 0, or what. Okay. Let us see it is written. F of c is equal to 0 for some c belongs to a comma b. F of c is equal to 0 for some c belongs to a comma b. Okay. See, is it possible? Tell me. No. Because over here it is given f of x is greater than 0 for some x belongs to a comma b. So option C is not even possible. Okay. Option C is not even possible. Next. F double dash C is less than 0. Of course, the graph is concave downwards, right? So options A is the correct answer. Let us check. Can it be concave upwards? Can we draw a graph which is concave upwards? Tell me. See, we can draw the graph which is concave upwards. But tell me, is it concave upwards for the whole interval? Tell me. For the whole interval, is it concave upwards? Tell me. Aisha, Devatri, Raktim, Ritam, Devank. Is it concave upwards for the whole interval? For, for some value of c, it is concave upwards, right? Rakto, are you getting? Tell me, everyone. What happened?
Yes.
Are people getting? Rakto, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. And Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes.
So that is why option B cannot be correct. So the only option which is correct is option A. Next, how to prove that the function is concave downwards for some C belongs to A comma B? Pay attention, everyone. Method 2. What you can do is you can take C1 belongs to A comma A plus B by 2. C1 belongs to A comma A plus B by 2. So f dash C1, f dash at C1 will be equal to f of A plus B by 2 minus f of A upon A plus B by 2 minus A. Right, tell me, everyone. A plus B by 2 minus A. So tell me, what are we getting? In the numerator, this is positive. Positive minus f of A is 0 divided by A plus B by 2 is of course greater than A. So denominator is also positive, right? So tell me, we are getting f dash C1 is greater than 0, right? Tell me, everyone. F dash C1 is greater than 0. Next, let C2 belongs to A plus B by 2 comma B. So what are we getting? F dash C2 will be equal to f of b minus f of a. So f of b minus f of a plus b by 2 divided by b minus a plus b by 2. Tell me, this one is positive or negative? F of b is 0. F of a plus b by 2 is something positive. Denominator is positive. So see everyone, this is positive or negative? Tell me.
Negative.
Negative, right? This implies f dash c2 is less than 0. So f dash c1 is greater than 0. F dash c2 is less than 0. Okay. So let there exist some c belongs to c1 comma c2. Let there exist some c belongs to c1 comma c2. Okay. Applying LMVT on f dash x. Applying LMVT on f dash x. What do we get? F double dash c will be equal to f dash c2 minus f dash c1 upon c2 minus c1. Now see, c2 minus c1 is positive or negative? Tell me everyone. Denominator c2 minus c1 is positive or negative? What do you think? Tell me.
So negative.
Negative? Why negative?
F
Hmm?
dash c2 minus f dash c1 negative.
Achha, numerator is negative. I'm talking about c2 minus c1.
So denominator is positive.
It is positive, right? Tell me, Sarthak, are you getting? This is
Getting
equal to negative. Tell me, Devank, are you getting? Therefore, f double dash c is less than 0. Can I say this implies f is concave downwards? Tell me, Avisha, Davatri, did you people understand this method?
Yes, sir.
Concave downwards. Okay. For some c belongs to a comma b. For some c belongs to a comma b. Okay. Next, tell me, Ritam, Prakto, is it clear?
Yes,
Prakti?
sir.
Okay, one last problem, everyone, for today. Question number 10, I guess. Last problem, everyone. Question number 10. Tomorrow again we'll continue at 9 o'clock. Okay, Prakto, tomorrow's class is from 9, okay? F comma G is continuous and differentiable. Are you getting, Prakto? Tomorrow's class is from 9,
Yes, yes.
such that f of 0 is equal to 5, g of 0 is equal to 0, f of 2 is equal to 8, g of 2 is equal to 1. Show that show that there exists there exists some c belongs to close 0 comma 2 such that f dash c is equal to 3 into g dash c. It's equal to 3 into g dash c. Solve. Last problem, everyone. Done. Use the same concept, we'll get the result. Okay, I'm going to solve everyone. Pay attention.
So 1 second, sir.
Same thing, Cauchy sequence, everyone. Cauchy's theorem. Yes. Bhaktim, your answer is correct. So, Oipsha, Debatri, let me solve. Pay attention. Question number 11. F dash C by G dash C. Yes, Debatri, right answer. F dash C by G dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A. That is f of 2 minus f of 0. This is number 2 minus f of 0 upon G of 2 minus G of 0, which will give us how much? F of 2 is 8. F of 0 is 5 upon f of G of 2 is 1 minus 0. Tell me. Sarthak, are you getting? Sarthak, Prakto, Vaipsha,
I'm
Devang,
getting
are you getting?
So,
Hence proved. Okay. So everyone, this complete Cauchy's theorem as well. Okay. Next class, that is tomorrow's class, I'm going to start with maxima and minima. Okay, everyone. So I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Tomorrow, again, we are going to continue from 9 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and good night.
thank you.
Bye. Okay.
thank you,
Bye.
sir.